My first Umrah. Little Ifra was so excited. Today is the day, she shouted, jumping up and down on her bed. We're going to Makkah. Mama smiled. Yes, sweetheart. Today we're going to perform Umrah. At the airport, little Ifra looked up at the big aeroplane. Off we go, she cheered excitedly. At the Miqat, Baba explained, before we begin Umrah, we make our intention for Allah. Step 1. Getting ready the Ihram. Baba wrapped himself in 2 clean, white, unstitched cloths. Ifra wore her beautiful light blue abaya and scarf. Mama wore her white abaya and scarf. As they traveled towards Makkah, they began to recite the Talbiyah. When Ifra entered Masjid al-Haram, her eyes grew wide. Right in the middle stood magnificent, black and gold Kaaba. Step 2. Tawaf. They started at the corner with the black stone Hajar al-Aswad. As they walked between the Yemeni corner and black stone, Baba taught her special dua. They walked around the Kaaba 7 times. Ifra made little duas as she walked. After Tawaf, they prayed 2 rak'ah near Maqam Ibrahim. Step 3. Drinking Zamzam. Ifra said Bismillah and drank slowly, making a special dua. Step 4. Sa'i. Mama gently explained, now we are going to do something called Sa'i. They walked between Safa and Marwah until they completed 7 laps. Ifra giggled every time Baba jogged under glowing green lights. Step 5. Trimming hair. Mama gently trimmed a little of Ifra's hair. Your Umrah is finished. Ifra's face lit up. Alhamdulillah.